All right. So right here we have it is 9:30. The market has been open for an hour. I don't like to really get started until around 10ish. So right now, so I was getting my computer stuff all ready to go. Doing some research for a good stocks for today. So I got Nixon. It looks like it's unusual. It has an unusual game to it. Um, but really, all this means is gonna have a hell of a drop. So we'll see if that's from yesterday today. Because this really, Finviz doesn't kick in till really around 10. They give you a new sheet. So BIMI, like it already went down. So it might be on. No, we'll have to bring it into the room so I can work with it. Now I have something on here that I'm trying to figure out how did this get on here if I don't have it. Oh, okay, there it is. That's 223. And I really want to find about 5 or 6 stocks that I feel like I can make money off. You know, you don't have to you don't have to make money every time. I mean, you don't have to make money off of 5 or 6 stocks. You can make your money all on one stock, but that's just how I like to do it. It gives me variety. So I got 4. There's plenty more than 4 on here that I can use to make a hell of a profit. So I got that one. Really don't know if I guess I'm gonna go ahead and put down CHFS. Brother didn't like it. I'm gonna put it down. Maybe they can make me some money. Alrighty. What else we got? NTZ. I don't like it. MSN. That's that's the TV show, ain't it? And yes, we are trading penny stocks. This is the first video or the first vlog or whatever it's called. If you don't know about day trading, what I do is I look at something like this, a screener, and then I go to my brokers, which happens to be TD Ameritrade. I'm not saying it's the best brokers, I'm just saying it's the one I have. And as you can see, I'm trading a small account, like $500. So what we're going to try to do with this small account is grow it, but not with swing trade. Now, but we're not going to let this money sit. We're going to let this, every day we come in to trade, we're going to trade, okay? So now that I have my stocks that I want to look at, I'm going to go ahead and place them in. So as you can see right here, let's see where I want to grab it. It's starting to pull back a little bit. It might go back up again. If you look at these two right here, you see that the sale was rejected right here, and it made that so it might be going in. I might have to go ahead and hop on this one right here, and it's moving very fast. So we're gonna get everything. I already had it in. When I put it in. want to put a trade. I don't want to put a trade on that too much because if you look at it, see anything that's up is gonna eventually come down. So we're gonna just wait a little bit. We're just gonna wait. We're just gonna peep before we leave. That's what I like to call it, peep before you leave. And what we're doing now, we're gonna put in our other ticks. And I only have 4 screens up, as you can see. I only have 4, ways to. Now I can add more, but this is more comfortable for me. Um, I don't like things like this. What the hell? HTC. What in the hell? Did I put it in wrong? Oh, that says NTC. Oops. You see this? You see this right here? That's why I didn't try it. But now, I think it'll go down a little bit more on this one right here. It's gonna go down a little bit more, so we're gonna watch that. But the goal of this is to make $50 with a small cap account. Now you might be thinking that's not a lot of money, but when you trade with a small amount, the more you trade with, the easier it is to make more money. The less you trade with, the harder it is, because you got to pick your right shares, make sure the price is right, all the different stuff. So it's easier to make. Remember that, okay? So, if you wonder what I'm watching right now, I'm currently watching Nixon, or NXIN. I'm also watching BMI, and NTSD 8X8S isn't doing too much for me. Now this one over here, I'm loving this one. I'm loving this one. I guess I'm gonna put an order in because we're about a minute or 5 minute gap here at 9:40. So this one just had a hell of a move. I don't want to be in that close. There we go. Let's take it out just a little bit more so I can see my screen. There we go. So let's see what that one's doing right there. That's probably gonna go down further. This one right here. This might be a good time to buy this one. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go back to Finviz. I'm gonna look up BIMI. I feel like I want to trade that now. And okay, market cap is 20 million. Sales, I'm doing 600,000. Employees 110. So this would be a nano cap as far as capitalization go. This one's also making it pretty big. Well, we'll see. Axis isn't doing anything. It's not doing anything. It's just not working. I'm going to place a trade in for this. I think I'm going to place a trade in. I'm also trying to sell some stuff, so give me a minute. If you see something before I do, let me know. Alright, so this 596 is a good for there. So I'm gonna say buy at 596. I want to buy 100 shares. Let's do 40. At 538. Bring it up a little bit. Yeah. Let's do 5. Let's do 594. Alright. This trade's gonna cost me 230 something dollars. Good lord. It's making a hell of a splash now. The whole lid can drop if it can. We just gonna have to see what we got. Now I'm gonna change this one over here because this one isn't doing anything. So we're gonna change that. CH. I'm gonna take a look at this one. That's up 653. Man. So I'm looking at our level 2s now, just taking a look at what price range right now. As you can see, we're not getting a lot of 5s anymore, not getting a lot of. So that we're like, no, we might be dropping, no. We might be dropping. I see a drop coming on. There it is. There it is. There it is. I think that's me. But there it is. So I want you to remember when you looking at this, that all these numbers right here are 100. So that's 200. That's 200. That's 100. That's 500. That's 1,000. I didn't order 100 shares. I ordered 40. So that's why there's a 0 next to here. And I bid it. I didn't buy it to ask. Buying it to ask is plus like a market order. You just buy it right at there. So 15 at 35. But that was selling. All I need is a little bit of pullback. This looks like it's. Well, let's see this. This been consistent. I don't want consistency. We're gonna place a trade in for this one as well. I've been watching this one. I'm ready to buy. So we're gonna buy. I'm gonna do 80. I'm gonna do 80. Why are these prices just so jacked? 08. How the fuck does that cost? Let's really do this. Let's edit this a little bit. They wanted me by about 60 of those. Alright, let's see how much I'm running up now. Let's see. Alright. So I got 60 and 40. If you watching those, it's still kind of early. Alright, so I'm not too sure it's gonna pull back all the way to 594. I think I lost that. But what we are gonna do is I guess at this point we just gotta wait and see what it does. So I'm gonna pause this and I'll unpause it when it. Alright, so I'll unpause because this right here looks like I'm going to be filled. I got my order at 60 at 10, so it looks like it has. It looks like it's gonna hit that. Now this over here, I don't know how to. This is a bad pull right here. I should have bought in at 690. Is like the opportunities to buy in for this one right here is unbelievable. But then when I do something like I just buy it acts upset with me. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna buy it. I'm gonna buy it. Where's damn motherfucker get away? That's as far as I'm going. I'm going right there. That's as far as I'm going. And it didn't accept it. It did not accept my order. So my order is currently at the border again. Oh my god. This is kind of frustrating. Not even gonna lie, it's kind of frustrating. But we still over here. What we got going on over here? Can I get my 10? Can I get my 10? But it's going up. This is going up. This right here is gonna let you know how much money you're making. So this is going up by dollars. This is going up by 50. So it's at 830. How the fuck? Alright. So I just got in, but now it looks like it's going down. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. It looks like all the momentum is gone. Let's just say I'm starting off to a bad start. From this looking too good and not being able to sink a good break-in point. Oh man, losing too much money on this one already. And then if you look at it, the way it's going, that's gonna come. That's gonna come. This is where we at right now. This is where we at. That's gonna be our line of resistance. So if it breaks this line right here, I guess you just call me a monkey. But I am gonna place a sell at the fuck is this? Let me just sell. I have already also 20. I have 60 actually. I'm gonna sell 20 at market because it's at 312 now. So I'm gonna let them go ahead go. That way I just made some profit. If I didn't make any profit for the rest of the day, I made something, which is $1. So I just locked in $1.70. Alrighty, that was still climbing. It's still climbing. It's still climbing. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to sell. Let's do another 15 shares. Because this one ain't getting too high anyways. 15 at what the hell is with these prices? They just come up with random ass prices. Wanna do that at 3. Let's watch it. Let's watch it. 318. Make sure everything good. Things good. Gonna send it. Boom. Did it hit? Uh-oh. Alright, we got three. We had 345. And I still got 25 shares. You know what? You know what I think I'm gonna do? Cause I really don't like this one anymore. This one just, whoa. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. This one is dropping really fast. Alright, guys. So, this is what it is. The day in life of a trade. You just gotta watch and see what you get. So this, see my, oops. I don't know why I did that. There we go. So that's a 14 now. So 827. Man, if I can get that bad boy down, I'm trying to figure out where the hell is my other thing. Well, let's see, I'll say the rest of the year at 20. So I got 20 shares slow. Let's sell the rest of these at 20. Oh shit. I gotta order place at 20. And then we're just gonna watch this right here and see. See how it's coming on this right here. See that motherfucker right there? I don't understand you. You motherfucker at you. I'm gonna make some money at you. Man, you gonna have a good day. We gonna have a good day. That's right. They ain't open. It's 10 o'clock, my prime time. I usually get started around 10 o'clock, so we gonna have a good day with you. Who is that making all that ruckus? But right now I'm watching CNBC, catching up on the debate. This ain't really not to trade when debating election so damn so close to the election and all that. I just want y'all to realize that it has went up. I got in about, where did I get in? It was about at 5 or something when I got in. It was at 5. How in the hell is it at 9 now? What the fuck? No, I see no shit like this. Now I am making money off this one currently, but damn, I would love to be making money off of this one. That would give me what I needed. Because right now I'm making too much of nothing. And if you want to know how much I'm making every trade, all you gotta do is watch this number right here. So the number just jumped up. Boom. Alright, and I'm out of here. So, off of this one right here, I just made almost $5. So you just saw that. Boom. If you had been watching this number, it would have been, it was 63 when I first started. So, yeah, $5. Now this right here, if I could just get a pull, oh my, I should have left it in. Should have left it in. Look at this. Look at this. I did. I still got 5 shares in there. Yeah. Yeah. I still got 5 shares. So this number, if you look at it, it should continue to still go. There we go. It went up some more. And then you want to continue to go. Now that's dropping. We got this over here dropping. So let me get some money off that. But I'm going to pull the rest of those 5 shares out of this one. Oh wow. I'm going to sell at market. Alrighty. And so it's at 40 now. We might buy back into that. We might not. It depends on what I feel like. Alrighty. So over there we made 528. My little thing is telling me. So I'm gonna trade this one over here. Now if I have to trade this over here to make my $10, I will. Cause I don't care who the stock is, I'm trying to make my $10. But I'm probably gonna have to drop this so I can get more. Cause I don't have enough money. I'm gonna drop the price so I can at least buy in at a good place. But I'm trying to figure out what I'm thinking 865. 865 is gonna be the best. And it's about to hit too. So we're gonna cancel replace. I'm gonna do 40. See, this is where I initially had it, 662. How the fuck is it at $8 right now? This is fucking ridiculous. This is a motherfucking ridiculous. So we're just gonna do it like that. Bam. 862. We can't do. So we're gonna do 35. Hopefully that's, enough. Let's see. See, and let me do it. Okay, so we're gonna do this here. Cancel replace. I'm gonna do 30. 8. Reference. Boom. There we go. Oh. Nope. That's not what I'm at 62. So this way I at least might get a chance, a sliver of mine in. But this is looking pretty good. So let's see. If I don't get a buy-in, did I just get a fucking buy-in? Why? Why does this do it to me every time? Every fucking time. Don't do me like that. Don't do me like that, Billy Bob. So we're gonna put a sale. I can't believe this. Look at this. I can't believe this right here. Boy, I tell you. It's gonna look. Oh shit! It's gonna look too low. Oh wow! Wow! Are you? Wow! This is just so ridiculous right here. I don't even know what I just put in. It's just my mind's all discombobulated. I'm just upset. This is just an upset right here. I just lost so much money. Let's just put it like it's so much money. Let's see the damage. The damage is 28.32. Made $5 and lost 33.60 from this motherfucker right now. The motherfucker that was supposed to be helping me get back on top. As soon as I want to buy in. Damn. And there you have it, folks. I'm down 28.32. I can't believe it. This is just ridiculous. This is just ridiculous. I cannot believe this shit. Let's see if I could. If it was going down, I didn't even feel like recovering after that. It had already taken its toll on me. I just wanted to get out. See, that's still going up over there. $5.35. So we got some. We gotta make up our world. The goal is to have 500 in this account by the end of the week. We got a lot of making up to do. We only got 2 more trading days. So this was some bullshit right here. This was some bullshit. This was fucking bullshit. And I'm out. But I will say this, I'm upset. I'm upset. And they say you're not supposed to trade when you're upset. So fuck them because I'm upset. Because when I first looked on my scanner, they said this stock was at 465. And it went from 465 at open to $10 at one point. Or $9.98 at one point. That was the high for the day. So I'm upset. But with that being said, alright guys. See you on the next one.